Legal justice. Legal justice is the restoration of fairness in the eyes of the law. In this case, the law is intended to be a common set of rules viewed as an objective measure of morality. Wrongful action are simply made illegal and punished based on the degree of injustice. The word justice is to protect by various clauses of fundamental rights and directive principles within the Constitution. The legal principles are based on the rights of the citizen and the state of expresses in the rules. An action is permissible if does not violate any of the written rules. Legal justice is a violation of what considered right and just or the rights of another. Legal rights are laws that protecting people. Laws that applying to everyone in a state are called state laws or statutes. These can be different depending on the state where you live. If you are a senior or an individual with a disability, there are extra federal state laws to protect you from discrimination. There are two types of cases, the criminal cases and civil cases. Criminal cases are involving enforcing public codes of behavior which are codified in the laws of a state. Like for example, sa nahitabo nga surge in killings of lawyers and judges in that they danger. The civil cases involving conflicts between people or institutions such as business, typically moreover sa money. Like for example, murder, assault, theft, and drunken driving. The second one is political justice. A theory of political justice involving applying the principle of justice to the basic political institution, the constitutional order of society. Political justice means giving equal political rights and opportunities to all citizens to take part in the administration of the country. It refers to the use of judicial process to the purpose of gaining, or upholding, or enlarging, or limiting, or destroying political power in influence. It may accompany or confirm political or military action, or it may be a substitute for such action. Political justice usually involves the courts, which may be invoked either by public official or in the societies, which permits open competition for political power by private individuals, just like bank robbery to finance a revolutionary activity. Those bringing the case of propaganda benefits from political stature of the person implicated in offenses of a non-political and even technical nature, like for example, violation of foreign exchange regulation, and also the most kanang pork barrel. So familiar naman mo ng pork barrel, so under na siya sa political justice. Daghan kaayog na involve ana. So last year pa dyan na siya. So kaibaw na mo ana. So let's move on to social justice. Social justice means that all people in society are to be equal and there is no discrimination on the basic religion, caste, creed, color, sex, or status. Moreover, social justice is fairness as it manifests in society. That includes fairness in healthcare, employment, housing, and more. Social justice depends on the four essential goals: human rights, access, participation, and equity. Mas known ang pagkawalay equality between the LGBT kay lagi we are talking about the gender. So if just like example nga makuha kag work, dili ka kaayo dayon makakuha kay some company nga mutan-aw jud sila sa gender, di ba? and also kanang unsay imong status nimo, and also sa religion, di ba, we have lots of religion man nga sa ato so naay company jud nga mo depends sa religion, og naapoy company nga mo dawat pero dili jud tanan nga dili mo equal. Types of social justice: race, gender, age, sexual orientation. Kaluhas sa akong gisulti ganiha. Social justice is the equal distribution of opportunities, rights, and responsibility despite differences in physical traits and or beliefs and behavior. It is an international and multi-faceted issue the rights for the better treatment and equality of people. There are 9 biggest social justice issues in 2020, such as voting rights, climate justice, healthcare, refugee crisis, racial injustice, income gap violence, and hunger food security. So, mauna siyang tanan ang under sa social justice. Otherwise, social justice is the view that everyone deserves equal economic, political, and social rights and opportunities. The last one is economic justice. Economic justice is the idea that the economy will be more successful if it is fairer. The goal is to create the opportunities for all to thrive, and the prosperity and justice go hand in hand rather than in opposition to one another. Yes, kay I believe kung naatay ka ng equality o fair sa usag-usa, mulambo jud ta. It is a set of moral and ethical principles for building economic institution. Economic justice aims to create opportunities for every person to have dignified, productive, and creative life that extend beyond simple economic. Economic justice is the idea that economy will be more successful if it is fairer. So, kani nga siya nga quote ay very kuan jud kay siya kanang nice kaayo kay sakto man sad. I agree to this kanang quote nga kung ang economy justice kay na more siya nga successful if fair tatanan kay we can build our society man sad nga mulambo kung natay pagkayusa sad. Universal basic income equality by gender and race, equal opportunity for employment and credit, and allowing all to reach their full potential are all the tenets of economic justice. The importance of economic justice in order to address the inequality that stems from the capitalism. Economic justice aims to create equal opportunities for all members of the economy. If all citizens can earn an income for themselves, which will stimulate the economy further. The issues about economic justice is to advocate for a wide range of economic justice issues, all of which limit women's freedom and success. This includes welfare reform, livable wages, paid sick leave, job discrimination, pay equity, financial literacy, and more. Some of the company nga naa siya mga mo reklamo nga kuwang ang sweldo or wala sila kadawat sa ilang last pay or kanang ang mga na-sick leave kanang bayran gihapon kay wala sabi na nato kanang gituyo, di ba? So na-address kanang mga issues about sa economic justice hanglan ma-resolve na nato. Kay moreover daghang kay company nga mo reklamo nga kato siya nga wala ata na lang year most of kanang sa call center dili ra sa call center na pod laing company. Mano siya kanang ako tong mga na-mention ako under na siya sa economic justice. That's all. Thank you.